Today I'm going to talk about what British did good for India. So as you know that Britishers did good things and bad things also. Britishers did good things like education and many different things. So let's talk about education first. Education was invented by Britishers by Lord Macaulay. He came in India and he started to start education. He started many different institutions and many different things. So let's go to the next point. Uh, Sati was not very good culture of India. Before Lord William Bentinck, the Sati was actually a not very good thing, and it was a continuous thing, cultural thing. So when God William Bentinck came, he thought that this is not very good. Like women are getting harmed, and like it is not good for women. So he just banned it and prohibited it. Just think of women's life at that time. That women will be just suffering, and like every time, whenever after their marriage, they must be thinking, I hope that our husband don't die before us. So like it was a very bad thing for women. So thank you for Mr. William Bentinck. He just prohibited the selling. And let's go to the next point. And Britishers introduced many different kind of industries. They introduced industries like jute industry, cotton industry. Before that, there was industries, but they were not. They were only self-sufficient. They were not meant for commercial purpose. But when the Britishers came, they invented cotton mills and different kind of things. And they forced the farmers to grow cash crops because it will be more beneficial for farmers if they grow cash crops. And now let's go to the other point, that is trams. They invented trams and trains because it was very important, because suppose the life of people going in carts everywhere, like it was very beneficial for Indians. The Britishers invented the trams and trains. And the first train ran between Mumbai to Thane in 1853, and trains started first in Kolkata. Now let's go to the second point. Our point is that women didn't got that much education and didn't got respect. That too, Britishers just means like they just prohibited everything, and after that, Britishers invented architecture. Like they just first they came from Calcutta, West Bengal. They actually made the architecture there only, and then from there the architecture got into India. And Britishers also contributed in many different kind of army. Like they contributed in army. They helped the people helped the Indians when there was attack from other foreign country, and it was a very nice. But sometimes they also killed many people when the Indians used to rebel against the British rule. And then, you must be thinking that what's the use of this architecture, trams and everything if they're killing thousands of people? I want to tell you that if they hadn't stopped Sati and would not have done just raised the institutes, then after that, suppose thousands of women will be dying due to Sati, and then education won't be there. Like I think that if they wouldn't have just introduced these things, then it wouldn't have been make any sense. And now I want to tell a few things before I just end up my speech. Britishers were good for India. Uh, Britishers were good for India. Due to them, there was development in the neighborhood. And this is the gratitude towards the British. I want to tell you that before I end my speech, that Britishers were good for India, and they came with they did many good for India. They did bad things also, but the good things take a higher space, like they take a lot of space. So therefore, we think that Britishers were good for India. Thank you.